What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome back. So today I have Saviland in the house. They actually sent these items to me to review. So they did send me a stamper kit and came with 2 stampers, 2 swipers. I don't know what they're actually called, but I just call them swipers because you like swipe the stamp plate with them. And 2 polishes, a white and a light blue, number 1 and number 7. I'm gonna do like an easy salon ready design today, something that you would go to the salon to get. When I did work at the salon, I did a lot of French manicures and pedicures, but I can honestly say I've never done the French application with a stamper. I've literally only ever used a liner brush, so this is very brand new and interesting to me. I'm gonna let you guys know my honest opinion on how I feel first time using it. It's not gonna be my concrete answer, it's just gonna be my first opinion answer slash first impression, I guess you could say. But it's not gonna be like my definite answer. I still wanna work with this product in the future and see how I actually really do like it. But right now I'm just testing it out to see how it works. You know what I mean? All the products I use will be down below in the description box. This nail bed color is super gorgeous. It reminds me of a color I used to use like every single day at the salon I used to work at, called Blush from Accents. Super natural nail bed color that everybody loves, especially like doctors, nurses, and lawyers. Yeah. So far I think the first one I did probably would have been the best. The first and the second one. After that, it kind of gets wonky and it's just like straight lines straight across the nail. And I don't know what I was doing wrong. I don't know if I was not pushing hard enough or if I was pushing too hard. I'll have to figure that out. I'll have to troubleshoot that at a later date. But so far, I think this is pretty cool technique. I've never tried it before like this, but I think it's really awesome. So for me, because I usually draw my Frenches on with the liner brush, I'm used to that and I probably would stick to that. But then again, with that being said, I like this and I want to get the hang of it more. This is just my first time literally trying this. I did not play with this prior to filming, so maybe that would have helped me a little bit more, but I just feel like it's not very authentic, you know what I mean? So yeah, I wanted to really give you a realistic first timer with a stamper doing a French method, you know what I mean? So yeah, anyways, I'm going to finish this off, top coat it, and then I'll be back to show you the final look. I did want to mention one thing about the brushes of the gel polishes are amazing. I love how they're on a slant. I've never seen a gel polish brush like that before. So here is the final look of my super cute salon ready French manicure. Let me know what you prefer, the stamper method for French or a liner brush. Me personally, at this point, I prefer a liner brush, but this was super cool to work with and very fun to experience. So I'm just going to give you a quick recap of everything that I got today. I'm going to show you the final look of the nails, but thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I hope you have an amazing day or night. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. Also, shout out to Saviland for sending these products over for me to review. Thank you so much. I had a blast, and I look forward to reviewing more products in the future. So until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.